friends, it's Nancy. Got some more books to show you. This one is an older book called The Field Guide to Australian Birds. And while the back is mostly information and line drawing, the front half, a good third anyway, is just full of colorful Australian birds. And luckily, they put the names on one side and the pictures on the other, so you don't have to choose. So there is that book. This one is called Saskatchewan Birds, and it has really nice illustrations. They're a good size. And that one, 176 pages. Next up, I'm going to try to see how these books go. And they will be available through my Amazon store, which means that Amazon does the shipping, they do the customer service, everything is through Amazon. So if you have Prime, you can get things pretty quickly. These books are old, vintage, antique, and in the resulting sorts of shape that one might expect. But if you watch my video from the end of February about how to make journals out of old vintage books, you'll be in good shape. So this one, it has, like, there's some tape there, there's writing, there's some page tears, but it has some really cute illustrations. And big text, which is perfect for making, see, here's a couple of page tears. Big print for making word snippets. Super cute. So this will be going into a plastic covering so that it doesn't get any further damaged, and the sticker will go on the plastic. This is one of the Elsie books, the Elsie series. So this is Grandmother Elsie, 1916. The pages are very pulpy and dark, so awesome for collage. And I love this cover. This one's The Friendly Road, and it is also, like, this is taped in. It's a beautiful frontispiece. Again, I can't, you can't find dates on these things. There's some illustrations. Some color plates. So that's The Friendly Road. This is a lovely farm scene. Man leaning up against a tree. This one's The Attic Guest. And this copyright is 1909. This is the second edition. And I don't think there's much here in terms of illustrations, but it's a rather thick book. It's in better condition than maybe the others, and it has this nice embossed scene, a little pond, tree reflecting in the pond. This little baby, it's just a narrow little thing, and this is 1920. Little kids are cute. This one's called Our Native Trees. This is a heavy book, but I love this cover. It's got pink sky and green and gray, and the title is in gold. There was clearly some kind of a label here at one point, but it has some acorn and oak leaves. And it was a library book. But it has all these photos of leaves. Some little line drawings. And the date on this is 1915. This one I thought long and hard about whether I wanted to keep it or sell it, and I finally decided I'm going to sell it. So it's, I'm looking for the date, 1953. And there's a lot of people who love this old Pyrex stuff. Does that teapot look familiar? So it has color images of the recipe outcomes. Well, nothing I would look like that, but maybe some people. And a really cool cover. So those are the books that I wanted to share with you. I will put a list in the comments below, as well as a link to my Amazon storefront. So take a look. It's possible that you'll find these titles either closer to you, maybe, so it'll come faster, or at a more affordable price. It's possible, but I just wanted to show you the inside so that you could make a decision about whether this is a book that you need to have in your life. All right, thanks so much for joining me. We'll talk to you again soon.